One of the cool things about polymorphism and inheritance is the ability to hide information. Using private and public methods, you've already seen how information can be have restricted access, but when we have like subclasses, we're basically ensuring that people aren't accessing the information that's hidden within the parents. It's pretty cool. Here's an example of a student class. Within the student class, the keyword private precedes each data field, and the keyword public precedes each method. Information hiding is the concept of keeping data private. Data can only be altered by the method you choose and only in ways that you control. So that's why we have the set and the get methods. These allow us to hide that information and use it only when we need to use it or allow a user to use it. Because it's private, private members of the parent class are not accessible within a child's class methods. That's pretty nifty. It allows us to hide information from children as well. And it means that, there's a problem sometimes, because sometimes you might want a child to be able to access information. When that's the case, we use a keyword protected. Protected allows a child or a parent to access data. It provides an intermediate level of security between public and private access. It can be used within the class or in any classes extended from that class, but it cannot be used by outside classes. So just remember that if you use the keyword private and you create an extension, so if a mammal has a private behavior that's like sleep, and we extend that to a human and say human extends mammal, the sleep method will not be accessible. You have to create a whole new sleep method because private methods are not accessible by the children, but protected methods are.